Hello guys, so as I promised, today I'm going to graph the function and its derivative side by side. So let's continue to our Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let's go. So I should in the previous tutorial we have plotted this function, guys. So by the we can apply the chain this power rule and gets this derivative of this function, guys. So I know that now for now you have good understanding of the concept of derivative. So let's plot the derivative. Okay, let's plot. Okay, I will just first put this cell as a markdown, guys. So I will just put cell as to markdown, and I will just let's put function and its derivative side by side, side by side. Okay, so it will be like this. So I will just copy this thing. Okay, and now I will teach you how to use subplots, guys. Okay. Yep. Oops. So it's fine. I guess zoom level is fine, guys. So it's too much zoom, I think. Okay, this will be fine. So okay, what is happening? Yep. So let's use the subplot function, guys. Let me take the reference first. Okay. Oh, yep. So yeah, yeah. So I will just put this. I will just copy this sentence, guys. I will whole copy this thing. Okay. And I will change some values, guys. So now I don't want 10 by 6, I want 15 by 5 because it will look good. Okay, so let's use this subplot, guys. So plt.subplot will be the first thing is how many rows. So I want one row. How many columns? I want two columns. And this is the first chart. Okay, the first subplot. So let me put the comment first subplot. Okay, so the first subplot, so in that plot we are plotting this fx x versus fx. Okay, now we will just plot the second subplot, guys. Okay, yep, second subplot. Okay, so just put this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, I will whole copy this, guys, and I will just paste this, and I will just put here too. Okay, because I want to side by side put them. So it is d of f of x and this will be d of f of x. Okay, and I also need to define this function, guys. So let's get the cell above, guys. Okay, so this will be very short video, guys. I will just put this function side to side. Okay, so let me just define the function. Def d of f of x will be you know what was our function. So by the power rule we can take its derivative. So the derivative will be 2x plus 2, guys. Okay, so return 2x into 2. Okay, believe me that this is a derivative, guys, because I have used power function. Okay, so let's check for some values, guys. So I'm also inserting this. Okay, so let's df of 2 how much it is. So it should be 4. Yeah, no, 6. Yep, because 2 into 2 4 and 4 plus 2 6, so they are both ready. So now let's plot this functions, guys, side by side. So you can see that these are this function and its derivative are plotted side by side. Okay, so that's all, guys. Okay, so in the next video I will draw tangent at the point 2. Okay, so how we will do that, I will explain in the next video, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching.